Good morning. Today is September 6th, 2019. This is Math 8. We're learning about transformations, more specifically, reflections. At this point, everybody in my classroom has a piece of graph paper folded up, and they've drawn 4 little coordinate systems on it. And we did that entire part without talking, which was awesome. That was a nice little, rest from talking.
Kind of confused.
You're confused?
No. Oh, what was happening?
Did you get it done?
Yes.
You got it done. So before we get too far into this, let's look at the learning goal. What is the current learning goal, Maddie?
I can manipulate shapes using transformation.
Excellent. And Talitha, why?
Computer graphics are just transformations on
Absolutely. And here's a picture of a reflection. The idea of a reflected image is that you've got something up here and the entire object has been flipped over across some kind of axis of reflection. We're going to do our song now, and we'll do this every day. So stand up, we're going to do our song and dance, even though we only know one thing so far. Like this. Here we go. Yep. Not looking miserable while we do it, at least giving the illusion that we are having a good time. Here it is. Thank you, Talitha. I like that smile. Here we go. Ready? It is translation, translation, reflection, reflection, rotation, rotation, dilation, dilation. One more time. Translation. Say it. Translation, reflection, reflection, rotation, rotation, dilation, dilation. Good job. So we're going to start with what a reflection is. So we've got our 4 main transformations. We've got our translation, reflection, rotation, dilation. Don't worry about the notes. But we're going to look at the idea of a mirror. And I feel like, look out there. You know what? I think this. Marvin, come on up, man. Come on up. He's going to be my reflection. This is our mirror, the stick that I just put down on the ground. Stand on that side of it. Yeah, man. Put your toe right there. Come up closer, come all the way to it, and then come with both feet. Take 1 step back. There we go. You're my mirror image. Nice. Good job. Notice he's 1 step from the mirror. I'm 1 step from the mirror. If I do this, let's do it. Look at that. I'm 2 steps. He's 2 steps from the mirror. 3 steps. 3 steps from the mirror. Nice.
Beautiful birdie.
Ready? If I go forward 1 step, it's coming forward 1 step. If I go forward 1 step, he's going forward 1 step. It's going to get a little bit weird. Just go with it. Here we go. I know we're very close. It's okay. Right? Isn't it? Well, let's take 1 step back though. Okay, there we go. Personal space. There we go. So 1 step, 1 step. Notice that every step I am, he's the same distance away. So if I'm 10 steps away, he'd be 10 steps away. If you're 2 feet away, he'd be 2 feet away. That's the idea of a reflection. Good job. High five. Boom. Reflection. So now we're actually going to reflect a point. So on your first coordinate system, will you draw point A? 1 over 2 up. 1 over 2 up. And label it with an A. One over 2 up, label it with an A. Perfect. And read the problem, because you have to figure out where the mirror is. Raising a hand. Where's the mirror? Dakota.
It's negative, or it's 1 negative.
Not where is the mirrored point. Where is the actual mirror? So, Marvin and I we couldn't have done this without knowing where the mirror was, right? We need this mirror. So if this was our mirror, this stick, Is it right there?
No.
Is it right there?
No.
Is it right here?
No.
Is it right here?
Yes.
This is it. It's the x-axis. So let's label this. This is x-axis. Write down the word x-axis right there. I want it on your graph, x-axis. And that's our mirror. So just like Marvin was walking, we were walking up and back and forth towards this stick, we're going to walk towards the x-axis. And I call this, you walk to the mirror, and then you walk through the mirror. It's like Alice in Wonderland. Here's point A for Alice. I walk to the mirror. How many steps? 1, 2 steps to the mirror, and now I walk through the mirror. How many steps through it? 2 steps through the mirror. 1, 2, and I'm right there. And that is A prime. And you just did your first reflection. Air 5's all around. Air 5. Dakota, Air 5. Didn't you get one? Go. I don't think you got an Air 5. Tilly, I gave you one, didn't I?
No.
You're trying to get 2?
Yes.
Yes, you are trying to get 2. But Griffin, you didn't get an Air 5. Take one. No. There you go. Okay.
Thank you.
Let's do another one. Go to your second coordinate system. And everybody go to slide 9. Everybody's on slide 9. Everybody? On your second coordinate system, draw me segment AB. Draw AB on your second coordinate system. Label it. We have to figure out where the mirror is. Well, that means reading something. Nathaniel, where's the mirror?
It's across the y-axis.
The y-axis, which means we're mirroring it across this thing right here, the y-axis. All right, Sam. A is going to walk to the mirror. Count with me.
1, 2,
Walk through the mirror.
3. Or what did I start over?
Yep, so walk to the mirror.
1, 2,
Walk through the mirror.
1, 2.
There's your A prime. Lorena, walk to the mirror. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Walk through the mirror.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You reflected a point. This time you reflected 2 points, but those 2 points created a segment. Now we're going to do 3 points, but those 3 points are going to make a triangle. Connect those dots. Did it get weird?
Yeah.
It does, okay. Good. Where's your line then? The one we just did, this one, number 9? Good. Label it with A prime and B prime. Let's go to, first off, 5-second count for questions. How are we doing out there, folks? If you have questions, you must ask me. Yes, sir.
Why wouldn't you go down instead of up? I mean to the left.
Like, why would it not reflect it this way? Because it's saying reflected across the y-axis. You have to come and look for, you have to read it to know where the mirror is. The problem's going to tell you what to reflect it across.
Okay.
Good question. Other questions? That was a good question. Answer questions? All right, see. Next one is going to be a triangle. Can you draw that triangle into coordinate system number 3? Triangle. Excellent. Beautiful triangles. Thank you, triangle, monkey. It's a long time. Mark.
So you're saying if I were to look into the mirror, myself that I'm looking into would be Mark Prime?
It would be Mark Prime. Yep.
That's cool.
Yeah, you will. Got the triangle. You can label with A, B, and C, please. Label with So C is, you get to C and have to go over 3 and up 2. 3, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Where is my mirror? Show me with your arms. Is the mirror going up and down or is it going left to right? Show me the arms. It is across the x-axis, so this is my mirror right here. So let's have point B walk to it. Paulette, ready? Count with me. He's walking to the mirror. Walking through the mirror. Just that. Start. Look one more time. Ready? Start. Walk to the mirror. Walk through the mirror. 1, 2, 3. Through the mirror, and that puts me right there at B prime. Eva, walk to the mirror with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Walk through the mirror.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Put a point there, and that's at A prime. Ava, walk to the mirror. Walk through the mirror. And that puts me at C prime. Good? Are you in different college? It's just mislabeled? Okay. Well, I think your A, B's, and C's aren't the right ABCs. original triangle wasn't drawn correctly. That's what I thought. That is. So one of the biggest issues I'm seeing with my classes is just the ability to take the initial shape and getting it onto a piece of paper. So right here, if I look at point C, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. So this is a great skill, just being able to copy something off of one piece of paper onto another piece of paper. Try another one. If you have to flip your paper over, actually this is our fourth one.
Yes.
Okay. Plot point A and wait for instructions. Plot point A, no matter where you're at, stop and plot point A. Label it with a point A, please. Where's the mirror this time? Griffin,
The y-axis.
why do you think it's the y-axis?
I think it's a y-axis because it's starting so high up. And if you flip it, it's
Okay. Brayden?
I think you would start at 3.
What do you mean?
On
Okay.
the- with the I think you could.
Here, if this is our mirror, do you think you can show us where the mirror is at? Come on up. If this is the mirror, where's the mirror?
Since it's y equals 3, it'd be right there.
He's correct. That's the mirror. The mirror is at y equals 3. If I put this mirror right there, so let's draw a mirror. We're using a dashed line. Can you draw in a mirror? That's your axis of reflection. Draw that in with a dashed line. Yep. Okay, gotcha. Dashed line. Now mirror it. Walk up to the mirror, walk through the mirror. Now mirror it. Mirror it. Come on up and do it. You got it. Here's Brayden doing it.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Perfect. Questions on that one?
Nope.
No questions. We'll do another one then. Next one. You might have to flip your paper over and draw another coordinate system. You're going to need 2 more coordinate systems. On the first coordinate system, draw that line AB, or segment AB. Oh, he's already drawn it. Are you drawing it? You think you know where the mirror is? Okay. Draw in that segment. Okay, no, okay, -6. You're good, you're good. Keep going. You just. So I think you're. Maybe not. You're good. Label it with an A and a B. Label it with an A and a B. one right here? Where is this point? Put your pencil at 0, 0 on the computer screen. Okay, go over.
Down.
No, go over. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then how far down?
1, 2.
Okay, now mirror that over here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then down. Now you've already started mirroring it, but you're using the wrong mirror. Don't. We got the other points off also. So start. Go to your computer screen. Put your finger at 0, 0. Count over to A. You're going up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, and then how far up?
1, 2.
Okay, and then after that. Who can show the mirror? You've got it, come on. Here comes Nathaniel, showing us the mirror. Yep, there's the mirror. The mirror is at x equals -2. So we're going to put the mirror in there with a dashed line. Thank you. Sam, can you mirror point B for me?
Yeah.
And yes, Cassidy, will you mirror point A for me? Here's a marker.
Thank you.
And show us the way I've been doing it.
1, 2, 1.
Good. B prime, thank you. And Cassidy, you got it? Thank you, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. And we're going to stop there because I want to give you enough time in class to do the homework. Homework is in iExcel. It's 20 minutes or 100, and I'm giving you 23 minutes in class right now. If you get it done, you have no homework. If you don't get it done, it's going to be homework. And I will check it on Monday. And that's our entire thing. Yes?
Did class get short because of...
No.
It seems like we had a really
It's
long
just-
PE. 30 minutes.